Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss module number 2B, three-phase AC circuits. Under three-phase AC circuits, we are studying the relationship between line and phase voltage in star connection. What do you mean by star connection? If the finishing ends of Y, finishing ends of R and finishing end of B are connected to the common point, we call it as star connection. The IR, IY and IB are called as the line current. What do you understand by line current? The current entering the starting points is called as line current. So IR is the current that is entering SR, IY is the current entering SY and IB is the current entering SB. Therefore, IR, IY and IB are called as line currents. Similarly, the voltage between R and Y is called the line voltage, which is represented by VRY. Similarly, the voltage between R and B is represented as VBR and voltage between Y and B is represented as VYB, which is called as line voltage. And there are three phase voltages. The voltage between R and N is called the phase current, phase voltage. The voltage between Y and N is called phase voltage VYN and voltage between B and N is called as the phase voltage VBN. Let us see the relationship between VRY and relationship between VRN, which is nothing but relationship between line voltage and phase voltage in a star connection. So to understand that, let me take VRY. VRY is the voltage between the starting point R to the starting point Y. R to Y, there is a neutral point N. So R to N, N to Y is what we call it as the phase line voltage VRY. So VRY is equal to VRN plus VNY. Since VNY is not the voltage between the line to neutral, what do? We reverse it. How do we reverse it? When we interchange the terminal Y and N, it becomes minus. Hence, VRY is equal to VRN minus VYN, where VRN is the phase voltage, VYN is the phase voltage, and VRY is the line voltage. Let us plot this in the phasor diagram. So, let us take the phasor diagram. In the phasor diagram, let VRN be the phase voltage, let VYN be the phase voltage, and let VBN also be the phase voltage. The angle between VRN and VYN is 120 degree. The angle between VYN and VBN is 120 degree. The angle between VRN and VBN is also 120 degree. So, if plus VYN is drawn in this axis, the opposite axis will be minus VYN. So from VYN, I draw in the opposite side minus VYN. In between VRN and minus VYN, I have to draw VRY because we know VRY is equal to VRN minus VYN. Therefore, I draw between VRN and minus VYN, VRY. The angle between minus VYN and plus VBN is 60 degree. So, in between minus VYN and VRN, I will be drawing VRY, which will be having the angle 30 degree. Therefore, VRY is the line voltage drawn between the phase voltage VRN and minus VYN. Let us see how to get the relationship between line and phase. So, if I consider OA as VRN, I say let OA be equal to VRN, which is the phase voltage. Similarly, I say OB is equal to VRY, which is nothing but the line voltage. So, I draw AC perpendicular to OB. So, I draw AC perpendicular to OB such that this straight line is cut by the perpendicular bisector. So what is a perpendicular bisector? AC divides the line OB into equal halves. So all of you can see OC is equal to CB, which is equal to OB by 2. But OB is nothing but VL. So it is VL divided by 2. So let me take this right angle triangle in which AC is the opposite side, OC is the adjacent side, OA is the hypotenuse. Therefore, in the triangle OAC, cos 30 is adjacent by hypotenuse, adjacent is OC, hypotenuse is OA, OC is given by OB by 2, which is VL by 2. So when I substitute in the value of OC VL by 2 and in the place of OA, if I substitute it as V face and cos 30 as root 3 by 2, 2 and 2 get cancelled. Therefore, if I cross multiply V face, I get the relationship line voltage is equal to root 3 times phase voltage. Therefore, the relationship between line and phase voltage in the star connection is line voltage is root 3 times phase voltage. Thank you for watching this video.